finally the sun is out, which is lovely. Summertime is here, even though it's not technically summer yet, and that's lovely too. And the third thing that's lovely is Reggae Reggae sauce, Piri Piri, and if you put these two together with chicken, you create something great. Hello, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a treat and a half today. Savoury this time, not sweet. And I think I say that on every video, food wise, treat and a half. But this is, if you love Piri Piri, I'm using Schwartz, it's a rub, and Levi Roots Reggae Reggae sauce, mixed with a slice of smoked back bacon, red tomato, red onion, red tomato, but most tomatoes are red, aren't they? I'm waffling on again. Crusty cob. I'm using Morrison's brown morning roll. You can use ciabatta, you can use any crusty bread really, but try not use soft bread, because once you grill it and you put it in the oven, if it's soft, it's just going to go like a rock hard crouton, and you don't want that. You want a sort of a crusty on the outside and soft in the middle, and mature cheddar cheese. This is a thing of beauty, this is. What you need to do, first of all, is bash your chicken down so it's even, so it cooks even. Won't take too long. Right, once that's done, shake it out of the cling film, or plastic bag. Just give my hands a wash. Like I say, once it's even, it'll cook even. The grill is set at 200 degrees Celsius. Anything that's mentioned in today's video, like most of my other videos food wise, I'll put in the description below so you can follow. I'm just going to give my hands a wash. Right, let's get this going. Now, for the Schwartz Piri Piri rub, I tend to shake it through a sieve, because if you put it on sort of straight away, you've got like the peppercorns in here and the chilli give it a real heat, and I just want the sort of like the taste of it without the heat, because this on its own is enough. So put the rub on either side and shake some of it off. Now you're not going to put this on the grill dry, you're going to shake a bit of water over this so it moistens it up a bit. Okay, so let's get that going. That's enough rub for the chicken. So we use a bit of water just to moisten it up a bit, get it nice and wet. And you only want a little, you only want a little bit, and I was just going to say, you don't need to put this on hours before. You can just coat it as you're doing it like I am now. So let's get the grill on. Get the grill on, it's already on. Get it in the oven. You want to cook it, I'd say roughly, for about, say 5 minutes either side, or until the chicken is white. My technique is, if it's white, it's all right. That's going to be a slogan, and get that. Oh, listen to that sizzle. That's been heating up for a good 10 minutes. And once the chicken's done, I'm going to show you the other methods, which involves frying a slice of bacon and putting the cob with the tomato, the onion in the oven to warm up while you're frying the bacon. There's a couple of methods that go on with making this that might seem a bit of a faff, but trust me, the end result is well worth it. So once this chicken's cooked, I'll show you the next methods that you need to do. Right, the chicken's half cooked, and I just want to show you, just in case you're not sure and how long to cook the chicken. And excuse the racket that this grill makes, there's nothing I can do about it. I'm just about to flip this over. I just want to show you. You can see that there. Look how nice and white that is. And the other side's just got a little bit of cooking to do. So we're going to flip this over. It's not going to take long at all. And once that's done, I'll get everything else on the go. So the chicken is cooked. Finally, that noise has stopped. So let's get this chicken out. Just show you both sides. As long as it's flat and it's even and it's white and there's a little bit of colour to it, as in like it's sort of browned up, it's got like a bit of a, you can just tell really. If you're not sure, cut into it. And unfortunately, I've got to put the oven back on now because this is the next part. So whack the oven on, turn the grill off and get the oven going, and drop your grill tray down to the middle of the oven and put in the cob. I've put a little bit of spread on this with the tomato and the onion. So get this in warming up. Oh yeah, this is going to be nice, I'll tell you. Get this warming up. It's only going to take a few minutes to warm up. You don't want to cook it for too long. While that's warming up, fry the bacon. I've got one slice of smoked back bacon. I'm going to fry this so it's got a nice bit of colour to it. Now, I don't think I mentioned at the start of the video, silly me, I forgot. For this actual sort of concoction, you want chicken breast. Try not to use leg or thigh. Stick to breast. Breast is best. You can use the little chicken fillets as well. They're okay, but in regards to this sort of sandwich slash burger, whatever you want to call it, stick to breast. Right, let's cut this up. Now, with this particular concoction, you can have it however you want really. You can have it as a lunchtime snack, which is what I'm having now, or you can use the whole of the breast and put it all in and have it as a meal. Have it with some chips, have it with some salad, whatever you like. I'm going to slice this up because I don't want to overfill the roll with the chicken. Right, that bacon's done. Let's turn this off. Right, let's put this together now. Right, let's take this out. There we go. Put the chicken on top, like this. See, there's enough there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 little sliced bits of chicken, and that's enough for that sandwich. Oh God, there's smoke in the kitchen, man. Open up a door. Right, next, do I put the cheese? Yeah, the cheese. Grate the cheese on top. Mature cheddar, you can use medium, use red Leicester, whatever you like. Go, nice bit of cheese. This is the icing on the cake really, the cheese. And then pop, I think, yeah, I pop the bacon on top. Now, keep that nice and warm. Go. And pop this back in the oven and get the cheese to melt. Because once this tomato and the red onion has warmed up with the cob itself, it tastes fantastic. Make sure you turn the cob off. Right, while that's cooking, I'm just going to run through the ingredients because I don't think I mentioned it all properly at the beginning of the video. I'll just brush straight through it, which is me all over. Right, for this concoction, you can call it burger, sandwich, whatever. Chicken breast, stick to that, or the chicken fillets that you get in most supermarkets, and sometimes they're breaded, they're called chicken goujons, but try and get the uncoated ones. Chicken breast or chicken fillets. You want mature cheddar cheese, tomato, I was looking for it then, red onion, a crusty cob, preferably ciabatta or brown or white. Don't use soft white rolls or buns, because once they go in the oven for the 2 processes of heating up the tomato and the onion and then putting it back in with the cheese, chicken and bacon on top, the bread's just going to go like rock hard. It's just going to be like rock hard toast. You don't want that. You want a sort of crusty outer layer and a nice sort of soft sort of centre that makes for more of a pleasant sort of meal. This won't take long at all, and once it's done, the final bit is the Reggae Reggae sauce. Right, let's get this out. The cheese is nice and melted. Don't don't put it in there because that's still going to be hot from the frying pan. That's off. I am telling you, this, you will love this. It's nice and warmed up. Oh, the onion's got a nice bit of heat to it. And then to finish it off, excuse me, I'm going to put a bit of Reggae Reggae sauce on top. Forget handmade burger company. Do it yourself. Or is it the Gourmet Burger Kitchen as well? They're nice places, but you can't beat a homemade burger. On top. Squash that down. I'm going to slice this open just so you can see what all the fuss is about. Where's the knife? Right, let's slice this open. Look at that. You've got a layer of tomato, chicken, bacon, cheese, red onion, Reggae Reggae sauce, Piri Piri. I think that's everything. That is divine. I am going to tuck into that. Give that a try. I promise you. I think I say that in most of my videos as well. I promise. Well, can't promise anything, but that is fantastic. It's such a lovely treat, savoury as well. Please like, share and subscribe. Comment down below if you've tried it yourself and let me know what it's turned out like. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.